In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an image in Perplexity. This is a useful skill if you're looking to harness the power of Perplexity's offerings, whether it's for artistic inspiration or creating stunning visuals. To get started, the first thing you want to do is open your favorite web browser and go to Google. It's as simple as that. Just head over to the search bar, where we'll begin our journey into the world of Perplexity. Once you're at Google, the next step is to type Perplexity into the search bar. Make sure you type it correctly, and in no time, Google will provide you with a list of results. What we'll be looking for is the main website for Perplexity, which usually pops up as one of the top search results. Now, take a moment to click on the Perplexity website link. This will direct you to the home page of Perplexity where all the magic happens. When you're on the Perplexity site, you'll notice a layout filled with various tools and options. Your task now is to locate the clip icon, which is used to upload images. This icon is the key to starting the upload process. Go ahead and click on it. Clicking on the clip icon will open up a new window where you can choose which image file you would like to upload. It's here that you can browse through your computer files to find the perfect picture. Let's say you want to transform your photo into a Nike-style advertisement. This is where your creative input comes into play. Once you've chosen your image, think about what kind of prompt you'd like to create. For instance, you might say something along the lines of, "I'm uploading my photo. Turn it into a Nike-style advertisement." This kind of prompt gives Perplexity an idea of what you're envisioning and sets the tone for the final result. With your prompt ready and your image selected, it's time for the final step. Scroll down a bit and look for the Submit button. Clicking on Submit will officially send your image and instructions into the Perplexity system, allowing it to process your request. This is the moment where you let Perplexity work its magic. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now capable of uploading an image and using Perplexity to transform it into something unique and special. Remember, practice makes perfect, and each time you use Perplexity, you'll get more familiar with its capabilities and the endless possibilities it offers. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your creative endeavors with Perplexity. Enjoy experimenting, and see you in the next video.